channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I'm not in LA again. I am in a hotel room in Paso Robles. We're here doing a little road trip, checking out the Field of Lights and maybe doing some wine tasting at the same time and seeing what Paso Robles has to offer, as well as what we can see along the way. So let's rewind to a few hours earlier and get our journey started back in LA.
Into the danger zone, it all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading
Pitstop at the Madonna Inn.
This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Pretty well last night. Had my breakfast, my coffee, so we're good to go. Today we're gonna visit the Estrella Warbirds Museum. It houses some of the old military vehicles and planes, as well as memorabilias that were used in World War II. And I believe they house some classic cars as well, so that's gonna be pretty cool. And then we're gonna head off to lunch over at the San Antonio Winery. Mama J and I love the LA location, so it's perfect. Why not visit their Paso Robles location as well? So we're gonna have lunch there, and then later tonight we're gonna go see the Bruce Munro Field of Light Sensorio. So we're gonna probably stop by the hotel again just to rest up, and then head back out and check that out. So that's gonna be really exciting. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's supposed to be hot today, close to about 100, 102. So we'll make the most of it in the heat and see where we go from there. So let's go. accidentally forget utensils, you use coffee stirrers to eat your food. It works. It works well. Got my morning coffee here. Last night was pretty fun. It's cool to see all those lights on that field and seeing everybody's reactions to it, especially when the sun was setting. So that was pretty fun. So now we are heading back to LA. We're all packed up in the hotel and just stowing everything back in the car. But first, on the way back, we're gonna make one quick pit stop. So let's go.
I'm doing good. How about you? Oh, it's hot out today.
Solvang, a little piece of Denmark in Southern California. fairy tale movies that we all grew up with. A Christmas ornament in the summer, this is a place to do it. Alright guys, that's it for this adventure to our road trip to Paso Robles and to Solvang. I hope you guys had a really good time. Thank you for joining me once again. If you'd like to see more adventures like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll have a new adventure for you next week. Until then, I hope you guys are doing really well. Let me know down in the comments down below. Now to head home. I'll see you guys next time. See you later.